It's the 995 and we're coming to you live, and it ain't no surprise. Like, comment, and please subscribe to my channel. We're too hot to handle. It's the Gilder Gang up in that thing. If you're here with me, please sing. Like, comment, and subscribe. Tell it to all your friends. Like, comment, and subscribe. We're on a road to 1,000,000. What's up, Gilder Gang? I'm back up in this thing with another lit video. Yes, I am back. How are you guys been? How have you been? Yeah, so I'm just here basically seeing the previous video. I hit 100 subscribers. Let's clap it up for that. Thank you for all the love and support, like I said in the last video. Thank you guys. I really appreciate it. I really do. So, I just said, well, I'm going to drop 2 videos today. So I said, why don't we just do a little life update? After I hit 100, a little life update. So basically, life has been good. I really just been taking a lot of time off, personal time off, and just really just being off the grid, under, on the low about everything. If you know, I'm on Snapchat. I haven't been on Snapchat a lot like I used to lately. I've been on Twitter and Instagram a lot, but mostly I haven't been on Snapchat really at all, unless like I post a video like about my channel, or if I was like do like a little small video, but nothing too major. I just felt like I just need to take a break, and then I didn't really talk to people on there anyway. I really wasn't like, I really didn't have like Snapchat is for you talk to your friends and you do all that, but I haven't really been talking to a lot of people lately. Nothing like, not saying in a bad way, just haven't really been talking to a lot of people. But those who did check on me and text me and ask me how I'm doing, I really appreciate that too. Thank you. Yep, so I got me some Subway here. So why not give a life update with a nice Subway sandwich? That's amazing. That's good. Yeah, so yeah, basically I'm coming here just saying how I've been. Also I have the information on my channel. So I have 2 channels, as you know, the cooking channel. I'm gonna put the link in the description down below for the cooking channel, so you can go and subscribe to that. But a video is coming next week. A seafood mukbang video and that shrimp video is coming next week. The reason I didn't upload it was because my footage got lost for the shrimp. The footage got lost, and so I don't have the footage anymore for that video, so I couldn't upload it before I lost it. So I lost the SIM card, everything like that. And then I also been taking some time off from everything. So now that I'm back, 2 videos coming for the cooking channel next week, so y'all stay tuned for that. Go click the link and subscribe, and make sure you go subscribe to the channel. Yes. So back to what I was saying before I was interrupted. Yeah, so the 2 videos are coming for that channel next week. I'm about to be really consistent on that channel. I'm probably going to do a lot of mukbangs and cooking videos too. A lot of cooking videos, because I'm really getting into cooking these days. I really like to cook. So, yeah. So me and my mom, you might see my mom on there a lot too, because she's been really teaching me how to cook. Like because she can throw down, and she's been putting me on some of her game when it comes to cooking for her. So yeah, that's up with the cooking channel. This channel, a lot of good things are coming for this channel. A lot of good, fresh, new content for this channel. So, yeah. Like I said, every kind of little life update, how I've been and everything. I've been good. Thank you everybody who has checked on me. Thank you for that. I appreciate you for that. Thank you. Yeah, I think I'm in a good place now. I think I'm good to come back and bring with a good vibe. And just be good. A good vibe to have for everybody. So yeah, this video is really short. I just want to get on here and say thank you guys for 100, and also a little life update, like I said. Also, I gotta wait. Let me show you something. If you guys know me, you know I love a good puzzle, and guess what I got today? Wait. That's upside down. Yes, I love me a puzzle. I got me another. This is my third one. Actually, my fourth one. I actually did one. I did it twice. My mom got the same one for some reason. She got two of them. I don't know. It's the same one. So I did that. I did both of them. I did that one twice, and I did a tombstone one, and now I'm on the Galveston. Yes. So that's another thing. I'm really into puzzles during quarantine. I mean, what else can you do at home? Yeah. So yeah, I just been really just not laying around, but you know, just laying low and chilling and enjoying life and using this time to really find myself and tap into, you know, a good thing. And so also, I'm just happy that I'm in a good space right now, that I can bring you guys good videos with very good energy. So yeah, give me a hug, guys, 'cause I have missed you guys. Come here and give me a hug. Yeah, thank you for that. Yeah, so basically that's everything that's going on. Gave me a hug. I love you guys. And I'll see you soon. I'll see you very soon. And y'all be safe. Y'all be safe. If you go outside, wear a mask. Social distance as much as possible, as much as you can. Follow the guidelines and everything. And y'all just stay safe. Yeah, so y'all, I'm sorry, this sandwich is good, but y'all be safe. And that's it. Peace.